morning, students. How are you all? Welcome to computer class. Today we will continue our second chapter, Know Your Computer. But first of all, let's recall the things that we did learn in our previous video. In our previous video, we did learn about hardware. Hardware means a physical parts of computer that we can see and touch, called the hardware parts. In hardware parts, we did learn about input devices, keyboard and mouse. We use keyboard to type the data into a computer in the form of numbers, alphabet, symbols. Second one is mouse. Mouse is a pointing device which is used to point, select, drag and drop and open a file. There are two types of mouse, wired mouse and wireless mouse. Today we are going to learn about again hardware parts and more input devices. Graphic tablet. Here we having picture of graphical tablet. A graphic tablet helps us to insert hand draw image into a computer directly. Graphical tablet helps us to insert hand draw images. Here in this example, you can see the person is drawing an image on the tablet. The same image is inserted into a computer directly. So, graphical tablet used to insert hand draw images into a computer directly. We use a stylus to enter them. Here the stylus, it is look like a pen. So we use a stylus to enter them. We can draw an image with the help of stylus. It is mostly used to enter digital signature. It is mostly used to enter digital signature. Digital signature means the signature we enter and it is stored in computer and it is used further. So that is called digital signature. So it is mostly used to enter digital signature. So graphical tablet helps to draw images, hand draw images directly into computer. It having a pen, it is called stylus and it is used to enter digital signature. Now let's learn about light pen. A light pen is a pointing device that is shaped like and held like pen. You can see here we having a picture of light pen and the shape of pen is like pen. It is connected to the visual display unit VDU. VDU means our monitor. It is connected to the visual display unit with our monitor. We use it in the place of mouse to draw picture and to select menu options. We use light pen in the place of mouse. To draw picture, we can draw picture with the help of light pen and to select menu from options. Here you can see the person is selecting option. So it is used to select the options from the menu. Now let's learn about microphone. Here we having a picture of microphone. A microphone is an input device. A microphone is an input device that helps to give input to a computer in the form of sound or voice. Microphone helps to give input into a computer in the form of sound or voice. It means you can record your voice and store into a computer. You can record your voice and store into a computer using microphone. It is mainly used for recording sound. It is mainly used for recording sound. Now let's learn about webcam. Here we having a picture of webcam. It is also called web camera. A webcam is a camera that helps us to put images into a computer by directly clicking on them. Webcam is a camera. It helps us to put images into a computer directly by clicking on them. As we are using our mobile phone to take our selfies, we click the selfies and selfies directly enter into our mobile. Same way, webcam is used to put images into a computer directly by clicking on them. It is commonly used for web chats as it helps us to see the person we are chatting with. It means as we are doing video call with our mobile, we can see the person who is opposite side on a mobile. Same way we can do a video chat using a web camera into our computer or laptop. So it is commonly used for web chats as it helps to see the person we are chatting with. Here in this picture you can see the girl can see the person to whom she is chatting with. So it is work like a video calling, as we are doing video calling in our mobile. The same way web camera will also use to do the video calling on our laptop and computers, desktop computers. So that is webcam. Next one is joystick. Here we having a picture of joystick. A joystick is an input device that is used to play games on computer. Joystick is an input device. It is used to play games on computer. I think you have seen this kind of joystick in malls or in game zone. There this type of joysticks are used. So joystick is used to play games on computer. It is usually handled with fingers. It is usually has a handle with a spring button on the top. You can see on the top we having firing buttons or where the trigger fire is. So when you are playing a game, that time you can do the firing and you can do the movement by playing ahead, and you can do the firing by pressing the button that is on the handle. It is often used to control input into a video game. It is often used to control inputs. Control input means when you are playing any game, that time the control of that object or the thing you are playing, that is in your hand. So if you want to move them left and right side, so you have to move your handle of the joystick in the same position. So it is used to control input into a video game. So that is joystick. It is commonly used for play game on computer. Next one is barcode reader. Next one is barcode reader. A barcode reader reads barcodes as input data. Barcode reader reads the barcodes as input data. Here we having lines, standing lines. They are called barcodes, and this device is called barcode reader. It consists of a light source and lens and a light sensor. We use it to read the small images of line and spaces that are affixed to retail store items, identification cards, and postal mails. It can identify a particular product number, person, or a location through this line and space. Normally, this line determines the product number, person, or a location through this line. So, this device, I think you have seen this device in shopping mall. After shopping, when we are going to billing counter, that time they use this device to generate a bill. So this device and this barcodes, that vertical lines, they are called barcodes. So it normally identify the product number or a person name or location that can be determined through this line. So that is barcode reader. So that's it for today, students. In our next video we'll learn about more hardware parts of computer.